told you that you can start selling anything online in Nigeria without paying a single kobo or ads. Would you believe me? Let me break it down for you. I've sold digital products, physical products, coaching, even baby items online. And there was a time I didn't have money for Facebook ads, Instagram influencers, or boosting posts, but I made sales. Not just small sales. I'm talking about consistent sales that made me money daily. And guess what? You can do the same if you are just starting out with just your phone. This video is not theory. It's not guesswork. I'm going to show you step by step on how to sell anything online in Nigeria without ads, how to build trust with strangers online, how to top WhatsApp and Instagram into your personal ATM and do it without begging people to buy from you. Let's go. My name is Akugha Precious. I'm a certified business coach and online sales strategy. And I teach smart Nigerians like you on how to make money online, build simple digital business, and turn their phones into financial tools. If you are serious about blowing up online, making sales without running ads, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification, because this channel is all about helping you win, even if you are starting out from scratch. Now, let's get deep into it. How can you start selling anything online without spending money for ads, especially in this Nigeria where data is expensive, attention span is short, and trust is very low? I'll be sharing 7 strategies, real strategy that works for any product or service. Let's jump in. Strategy 1. Turn your WhatsApp into sales machine. Your WhatsApp is more powerful than you think. Most people only use it to chat, post funny memes, or even reply laugh out loud. But for me, it was my first sales platform. Here is what I did. 1. Set up your WhatsApp bio. So a clear photo of you builds trust. A strong bio like helping Nigeria look good with affordable human hair wigs, DM to other. 2. Start posting daily status updates. Educate, entertain, and sell. Use the 80-20 rule. % value, tips behind the scenes, testimonials, and 20% product offers with urgency. 3. Engage your contacts. Reply their status. Send birthday wishes. Comment on their new profile picture. This is how you get attention without paying for it. You will slowly turn cold contact into warm leads, and warm leads into customers. I sold my first baby product online just by posting it on WhatsApp. One of my church members saw it on my status and she placed order. I didn't run ads, just status. Strategy 2. Use Facebook groups the right way. Facebook is still good though, but most people are using it wrongly. Instead of running ads, here's what to do. 1. Join 5 to 10 targeted groups. Look for active group around your niche. Use Facebook. For example, if you are selling skincare products, join group on beauty, women empowerment, lifestyles, and so on. 2. You provide free value first. Post helpful tips. 5 reasons your dark spots are not going away. Drop a CTA at the end. Want a free skin glow checklist? Drop in the comment section. 3. Use the comments to connect. Reply everyone that comments with a friendly DM. Give them value, then you sell. This method it brought me over 100 leads in a week, completely free. Strategy 3. Build a simple lead magnet. Lead magnet is a free gift you give to attract buyers. It can be anything. It can be a free PDF guide, a free checklist, a 5-day WhatsApp class. Why does this work? Because when people get value from you, they begin to trust you. Well, you create something useful that solves a problem, like 7 secrets to growing skin naturally. Promote it on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. You collect their contacts to get them to join your free WhatsApp group. No ads needed, just smart packaging. Strategy 4. Turn your Instagram into trust hub. Instagram is not just about aesthetical, it's about storytelling. First, you fix your bio, who you help, what you say, and how to order. Second, use highlights to build authority. Create story highlights like before and after, reviews, my work, it to see you. Thirdly, you create 3 types of content. Content that educates, like tips on how to. Content that connects, which is your personal journey behind the scenes. Then content that converts. That is where you have testimonials, offers, urgency. Instagram Reels plus good storytelling equals to viral sales machines. Strategy 5. WhatsApp TV micro influencers and smart collab. You don't need big influencers. Micro is the new macro. 1. WhatsApp TV ads. Find WhatsApp TVs that has your target audience. Some charge just 1,000 to post your flyer. 2. Collaborate with micro influencers. To look for people with 5K to 20K engaged followers. Affiliate style. Offer them commission per se. 3. Cross promote with other sellers. Team up with someone in a similar niche and promote each other. Stages 6. Free webinars or mini training. This works especially if you are selling digital products, coaching or services. The first thing is to host a free Zoom class or WhatsApp class. 2. Teach for 20 minutes. 3. Pitch your product at the end of the class. People who attend already trust you. And that's the key to making sales. Strategy 7. Storytelling plus scarcity equals to sales. People don't buy because you are selling. They buy because they feel something. Use storytelling. Talk about how your product has helped someone. Use real life customer screenshots. Create only 5 slots left. Urgency. Now you have seen how to sell something online without running a single ad. You don't need a marketing degree. You don't even need 500K. You just need your phone plus consistency. And the strategy I shared today, which is the 7th strategy, are going to be yours. If you want me to do a full tutorial of any of them, WhatsApp selling, Instagram setup, lead magnet creation, drop it below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. This is your girl Akugha Precious, and I will see you in the next video. Let's go make that sales the smart way.